channel, and if it's your first time, thanks so much for coming across and watching. Today I'm feeling very, very Halloweeny. I've got my Halloween pumpkin ears on, and these were made by Main Street Ears. So yeah, so I've got these ones on, so I'll put the link down below. And then obviously I've got my Halloween top on. It's only September in the UK, but it's a very drizzly, wet, grey day. So I've got some sleeves on. So I thought, what better way to A, put my glasses on so that I can see you. Hello! And we're going to do some Halloween pins. She's looking all around because I don't know what to do with them. So I've got 2 boxes of pins all the way from Hong Kong. There's 5 boxes, 5 pins even in each box, and there's a choice of 12 characters. So let's have a look who we could get, and let's see if I actually know who they are. God. Right, so we have definitely got Minnie, Mickey and Goofy. Is that Goofy? Or is it Pluto? No, that's definitely Goofy. Top row is definitely Mickey, Minnie and Goofy. Bottom row, yeah, there's Pluto, and is it Daisy and Donald? Might be Daisy and Donald. Not really sure, but it might be Daisy and Donald. Yeah. Then I think we've got Dale on the second row. And bottom row we've got Stella Lou and Cookie. Other than that, I haven't got. So we'll just decide if we like them or not as we open them. Right. I like the pins. It doesn't matter who they are. They're Halloween. I'm feeling Halloweeny. Is that a word? Halloweeny. I keep looking over there. I'm using a different camera. My G7X is actually being mended, so I've got a Canon bridge camera, and I actually think the quality is better. I'm hoping the video playback will be better, but everything seems to be in focus. So inside, see, I'm not having to do this. So inside we've got a list of what it is you could actually get in the box. So it's great because even if you don't know what the names are, when you're pin trading, you can cross off what you've got and then put that's what you ISO owe, and you can look for the ones you actually need without getting the names. Yeah, that's a Karen thing, isn't it? Although I do know some other people who are the same. But anyway, so 5 pins. And these ones are great because they're in the black bag, so we can actually get them out and not see what they are. Right, first one. It's a very nice pin. I don't know who it is. They're like pumpkins, and then they've got bits of parts on them. The eyes are like buttons, odd buttons, but it's a Halloween pin, isn't it? So I suppose like a Halloween toy, you'd sew odd buttons on them to make them scary. That's very nice. These are quite small. And what's it say on the back? She says without having brought a magnifying glass down. Right, so on the back it's got the fact number, it's got Disney Parks, and it's got the pin trading logo. So that's what the back looks like. So if you're trading with anyone, you know that's what the back should look like, and it's gold. Very nice. So that's the first one. The pin with no name. So that's the first pin with no name. Pin with no name number 1. Throw the bag. Right, next one. What have we got now? Ooh, ooh, do I know this one? Is this figure? I don't know. You'll be screaming at the thing. See, look at that. Look how weird his face is, her face is. And on the top, you've got the stalk of the pumpkin. So I think that's figure, whatever, figuroni, or I don't know the name. The little cat, Duffy's little cat, I think. So that one, so that's a pin with no name number 2. There's a theme going on here, isn't it? I'm throwing all the rubbish on the floor because it meant to bring me, I was going to say bad luck, good luck. Now I know this is without even looking at it because I saw the ears. This is Stella Lou. Look Look at that, look at her eyes. And, yeah, she's the only one. If you look just up here, can you see it's actually like a hidden Mickey? These aren't hidden Mickey pins, they're not on any others, it's just part of her design is she has a hidden Mickey on her ear. That's part of what she looks like normally. So yeah, still a Lou. I know one of the pins, I know one of the names. I quite like these. I'm going to do my board. I've got my American Adventure states all in the centre of my pin board at the moment, so I've got to take it off. I bought a board, I bought some cork tiles that come in today, and I'm going to frame it, so then I'm going to have a big space and I'm going to do a Halloween theme. So yeah, so that's that. Ooh, right, so pin number 4. You always hope you won't get doubles in the same box, don't you? Oh, and this is Cookie. I know this one. See what I mean? It's like buttons sewn on. Little dog. Oh, isn't she cute? I'm guessing it's a girl with the name Cookie. So yeah, so I like that one. I love the way they're orange and purple because it's a real Halloween theme, isn't it? Hence, I've got orange and green. Maybe I should have had orange and purple ears. I've got some more Halloween ears being made for me by Vivian at Blooming Pot. She's fabulous. So yes, I've got some more Halloween ears coming. Oh, and this is one of the other ones. I don't know who it is. So this is pin number 3, the third pin with no name. That's like a little industrial cog, isn't it? Like a watch cog. Watch cogs instead of buttons. And pumpkins as ears. It's beautiful. They're just really lovely pins. They're only small, but they're really, really lovely. Right, so all of those rubbish over the shoulder now. I will pick it up. I will pick it up, right. I keep looking there instead of here, don't I? I need stickers saying, look here, Karen. And this lens is big enough to put it on. Box number 2. And I've watched Beth Lung. You'll have to go and check her channel out. She does loads of pin videos and I absolutely love them. And she's getting me just a little bit more addicted. So Beth, thanks for that. And she's opened these and her second box was a duplicate. So I'm really hoping mine isn't. So, ready. Ooh. No! It's a double! Oh no. I've just got a feeling. I've got a feeling that tonight's not going to be a good night. Let's have a look. And I am wrong. I am so wrong. I have got Pluto. Oh, I like that one. Look at that. So he's got buttons. Oh, I like that. And look, he's done like, is that pumpkin? What was it, purple pumpkin called? Strange. But other than strange, it's not an aubergine, is it? But I really like that one. Okay, so far we've got 6 out of the 15. Out of 15 out of the 12. 6, 9. Yeah, 6, so we're halfway there. And we've just got 3 bags left. We've got 1 double. Oh no, and it is Daisy. This one is definitely Daisy Duck. You can tell by the face, can't you, look? So she's got a button on the cog. Look at that, pumpkin on the top. And that little leaf there, that's like a little hair bow, isn't it? Oh, that's really pretty. I really like that one. I do, I really like these. Only got 2 boxes because I thought for 12 pins I might be able to trade another one of my other Hong Kong pins from a different set for it. But yeah, really like that. And look! Oh, this is really good. And I have got, oh no! Oh, Karen, you are silly. That's Donald, isn't it, with a cap? Because this is Daisy with a bow in her hair. Have I got that right now? Donald, Daisy. Oh, that's lovely. Oh, that's lovely. Right, 3, 6, 7, 8. So I've got 1 pin left. So which one have I got? Oh, and I've got another one. I've got Chip. I think it's Chip. Oh, so I did quite good on my boxes. Tracy said she'd really shook these up for me to make sure I didn't get any duplicates. So that's lovely. So I've actually got 9 out of the 12. So I'm really pleased with that. Should we have a look at what I've got? Come on, let's have a look. Pluto, Stella Lou and the pin with no name. We have got the pin with no name, Cookie and figure something, I think. And then down here we've got Chip, Donald and Daisy. So in fact the only ones I haven't got are those 3. So Mickey, Minnie and Goofy. So I've got all the other ones, so that's fabulous. You know what you think? Did I open Goofy? But obviously I didn't, because there's 9 there and I've got a duplicate. Oh, it's going to be one of those days. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. We've got some more pin unboxings coming up. Got loads to go through. But thanks so much for watching. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and the like icon and the notification bell. I'm always slipping the odd extra video in the week, so if you click the notification bell, you'll always know and you won't miss out on any. So thanks so much. Have a lovely day. See you real soon. Bye for now. Bye.